Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Note 9, and today I'll show you how we can import contacts from a SIM card to the device. So anyway, to get started, you want to open up your contacts application. So there we go. Make sure you open up the standalone version of it. I know you can find contacts in your dialer application, but this will not work. You need to open up the standalone version of it. And in here, select skip. And here you want to tap on the three bars, navigate into the settings, and at the bottom of the list you will find import option. Click on it, select your SIM card, and then this will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. By default they will all be selected, so if you don't want all of them, just simply deselect them. And additionally, if you see some kind of contacts that are grayed out and deselected, you won't be able to select them yourself, but don't worry, those contacts already exist on your phone and the device is just stopping you from duplicating them. And last is the import to, so you can save it to in this case I have device only as an option, but assuming you're logged into your Google account, that would be an option right here as well, so you could choose that instead. But I'm going to be sticking with device. Select import from there, so we'll show you how many contacts have been imported, and when you go back you should be able to see them right over here. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.